All right, today we're going to be replacing the fuel rail, this hybrid racing fuel rail with the Mercracing fuel rail. They just sponsored me not that long ago. I just purchased the blower and they sent me a few items, a fuel rail and a billet shift knob. That is super clean. I love it. I love the grip on it. It feels very good. So yeah, so we're gonna get rid of this hybrid racing stuff. No more caca racing, other than my intake, a little sock. I guess that's it. That's the only thing that's just gonna be hybrid racing. The fuel rail, they're sponsoring me here, and so they sent me a free fuel rail and a free shift knob. Freaking amazing. I still have a little bit of pressure in here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with the gauge. And I have to start off with that gauge regardless because I can't get to this bolt here. If I had a Allen wrench tool set that is long enough, I should be able to, but I just have these little short socket ones. So we'll start off with the fuel rail pressure gauge. It is a 7/16. To remove this off, and we'll just break this loose and start driving it out of there. All right, and there is the gauge. I'm going to disconnect the fuel line from here. You simply press in the fuel line to be able to press down the clip, release the clip, and then just switch this over just like so. It is going to be dropping fuel. Sweet, everything is pretty much disconnected. We just have to drive this sucker out, remove the injectors, replace the injectors with the fuel rail. Oh, and I don't have this fitting, so I'm going to use this fitting from hybrid racing. Yeah, I'm going to swap this over. Sweet, and there she is. Let's go ahead and mount this into place. All right, I am fitting the injectors in. I'm grabbing a little bit of oil and I am putting them in. Yeah, coming out good. Sweet, and there it is. It is installed. It is holding fuel pressure. It is not leaking anywhere, and it just complements everything so beautifully. Thank you so much, Mercracing. I really appreciate everything, your sponsorship, the fun times, the amazing times we have up ahead. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Please like and subscribe.